Hello, and welcome to all co-creators. The application utilizes convenient Gradio tools. Immediately upon launching the application, a default minimal interface becomes available to us. Let's test it. Let's take a video from the Grog company's YouTube channel page as an example. For instance, this one. Click Share, copy the link, and paste it into the field on the application page. Now press Send, and after a few seconds, you'll see a short summary in the field on the right. Great, it works. Next, let's try the detailed summarization option. Click here to select it and then press Send. In a few seconds, we'll have a detailed summary of the video's content. The Clear button resets all fields. Now let's explore the additional features of the application. By selecting the Stat option, you'll activate two windows. The first window displays statistical information about the Grog server's response, including the number of tokens, response time, and response speed. We insert the video link again and click Send. In addition to summarizing the YouTube video, we now see information in the left window displaying tokens, response time, and the speed at which the server generated tokens for the response. In the right window, the video's title and the length of the subtitles appear, which were sent to the Grog server as a request to generate the summary. By selecting the Subtitles option, a window with the original subtitles text from the video becomes available to us. The next additional option is Language. By activating this option before sending the request, we can choose the language in which we want to see the YouTube video summary in the right side text window. The default language is English. Let's test it. For example, select French, click Send, and in the upper right window, we see a short summary in French. In the lower window, we still see the subtitle text in its original language from the video. Let's clear the windows. The next feature is the ability to use text-to-speech for the generated summarization, which can be quite useful. Enabling the TTS option will make the audio window visible. Let's test it. Copy the link to the video from YouTube, paste it into the field, and click Send. Now, we see that a text-to-speech button has appeared near the field with the summary text. In the demo version of this application, VoiceOver is implemented for English, but you can easily add other languages as well. Click on TTS, wait a few seconds, and now we can listen to the voice summary in the audio window by clicking on the play button.
The video describes an experiment using a tool that utilizes the Grog-API for writing code with large language models. The presenter shows how the tool can describe and modify code using the example of removing the ability to load customers from a file.
The voice file can be saved to your local computer and downloaded if necessary. The next additional option is Thumbnail, which when activated, makes the image window available. This window displays a preview image of the video being summarized. The image can also be saved to your local computer. Finally, the Save option enables the ability to save the text of the generated summary to the user's Google Drive. The name of the text file will be the same as the title of the YouTube video. Let's check. Press Send, generate a summary, open our Google Drive, and see that a text file has appeared in the folder. Inside this file, you will find the summarized text from the video. Now, I will show you how to run this application for yourself. You can find a link to the code in Colab Google in the description of this video. Please click on it. Next, run the lines sequentially. First, start installing the necessary libraries, then connect your Google Drive by logging into your Google account. Click on this button to create folders on Google Drive that will be used to run the code. Now, enter your Grog-API and Eden AI API keys in the Secrets tab. Finally, if you've done everything correctly, you can run the main code. Although the Gradio interface will be loaded and accessible directly in the Colab Google window, it is more convenient to use the application by opening it in a new tab. Follow this link. After the window loads, the application is ready to use. Both the Colab Google and application links can be used not only in the desktop, but also in the mobile version of the browser. For advanced co-creators, I'll briefly discuss fine-tuning in the main Python code. Parameters such as the model, temperature, and number of tokens for requests to the Grog server are configured here. The extract subtitles function, configures languages for searching and extracting original subtitles. In the Grok sub function, you can experiment with the content of short and detailed prompts to generate a summary. Here, you can also find a prompt and a list of languages for generating summarization in the desired language. Modify this prompt to achieve better translation results. The speech function is currently configured with API access to the Eden AI service and the 11labs.io model using one voice in English. You can easily add voices in other languages, choose other models for TTS, or even replace this function with your own. Finally, the Gradio application interface can also be easily modified to suit your needs. Study, experiment, and quickly obtain summaries from YouTube videos.